On the run, this is a perfect and delicious breakfast with all your vitamins, omega-3s, fruit, and protein. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some Greek yogurt, and it can be vegan and it can be dairy. I add 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt and 1/4 of a cup of almond milk so that it becomes a little softer. I like to have it mixed all together. Then I add 1/4 of a cup of blueberries and 1/4 of a cup of raspberries with a tablespoon of chia seeds. Keep your chia seeds on the fridge if it's too hot where you live or during the summertime. Then after I add these delicious berries, I add a second antioxidant. I add some delicious cinnamon. And last but not least, something you might not see on the video is a teaspoon of honey. And just a touch of honey is enough. You don't need that much more. This, with my water, is an amazing breakfast. Full of antioxidants, full of deliciousness, and healthy too. You can make it in under 60 seconds. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.